There are many problems that come up as you are working with the CNC machine. It is important that you understand which buttons on the control panel will help you deal with those problems as they occur. You will be given 5 possible problems. Your task is to select the button or group of buttons on the HOS controller that you would use for each problem. The CNC machine makes a screeching sound and a harsh vibration. Which button or group of buttons should be used? In order to view the control panel more clearly and make it larger, please press the A button. Correct answer is to hit the emergency stop button. You want to test to see that your program runs without any of the machine axes moving. Which button or group of buttons should be used? Correct answer is feed hold button. Your machine is in an unknown state and you need to restart all programs from the beginning. Which button or group of buttons should be used? Correct answer is to select power off, power on. Your machine is giving an audio and visual alarm, but everything seems to be okay with the machine. How do you turn off the alarm? Correct answer is to select the reset button. Your program is running, but the spindle is going faster or slower than you want. How do you adjust the spindle speed? Correct answer is the -10% spindle and +10% spindle.